With more than 25 years of experience in highway safety, Versilis helps transportation agencies, design engineers, and contractors implement innovative solutions to increase traffic operations safety and efficiency all across America. In order to provide a safe commute to motorists, Versilis has developed automated signs and highly visible warning gates used to send a clear message to highway users, whether it be a particular road condition or a closed access. Whether permanent or temporary, access control solutions using our automated signs and gates are tailored to your needs. The solutions allow transportation agencies to increase the safety and efficiency of repetitive traffic operations, such as managed lanes access control and ramp closures. It also allows efficient maintenance and incident management, often critical for bridge or tunnel operators. Our Swift signs and Swift gates can be controlled and monitored locally and/or remotely. Local control can be achieved wirelessly using the Versilis handheld remote control, or in a cable scenario, using push buttons located in a nearby cabinet. Remote control can be done from a traffic management center using an NTCIP or web-based interface. This remote control capability is achieved through interconnection with the local ITS infrastructure using Ethernet or a cellular wireless network. Whatever the context, our experienced team will support you through every step of your project, from the planning and design stage all the way to installation, testing, and training. With Versilis technologies, you will achieve maximum traffic operation efficiency and reduced operational costs. But most importantly, you will increase the safety of highway workers and users. For more information, do not hesitate to contact us.